Everest is not the only peak. By Klothungan. We are proud and feel so tall. We are proud and feel so high about ourselves. Our virtues, though be few and small, our good qualities may be few and small in quantity. Our nature it is that whatever we try, we do with devotion deep and true. It is our nature that whatever we try, we do it with deep and true devotion. Defeat we repel, courage our fort. We move back by force, avoiding the defeat, and our bravery is our strong fort. Cringing from others we haven't done. We haven't bent our head or body in fear to anyone. To seek a gain we adore none. We are proud and feel so tall. We don't flatter anyone to gain something. We are always proud of us and feel so high about us. We deem it our duty and mission in life to bless and praise the deserving ones. We consider it as our duty and aim in life to bless and praise the deserving ones. Never shall we fail in what we commit, shall nourish the ones that nourish the world. Never shall we fail to do what we have promised. We shall promote the ones that strengthen or build up the world. We are proud of the position we hold, humble as we are. Though we are proud of the positions we hold, we are as humble as we are. Our pride springs from the way we live. Our pride arises from the way we live. Ours is a path of dignity and honor. Our path is a path of nobility and honor. A life that knows no kneeling and bending. We are proud and feel so tall. We lead a life that does not know the kneeling and bending to gain benefits. Everest is not the only peak. Every hillock has a summit to boast. Mount Everest is not the only peak which is the highest. Every small hill has the highest point of which we can speak with pride. The height you reach is not that we care. The height that we reach is not that we care. He who does not stoop is a king we adore. He who does not bend his head or body to gain monetary benefits is a king we praise. He will not lower his moral standard for anything. We bow before competence and merit. We bow to the persons who are meritorious and who have the ability to do something efficiently. The ones that are true and stand on their own are really the ladder for the rise of man. The people who are true and stand on their own are really the ladder for the upliftment of the human beings. Honor is a property common to all. Our honor is our property which is common to the humanity. A life of truth and dignity is our property. In dignity and pride, no one need to be poor. We are proud and feel so tall. If we follow the path of nobility and pride, we are not poor. We are always rich. So we should always be proud and feel so high of ourselves.